Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are getting benefits. So today 37 new cue cards May to August 2020 full list. So let's start. Describe a journey that did not go as planned. Next है. Describe a person in your family that you admire. Next one है. Describe something difficult you would like to succeed in doing. Next है. Describe a time when you made a mistake and you learned from it. Describe a program or app in your computer or phone. कोई भी तुसी ऐप बारे दस सकते हो. Describe a time when you took a risk that may have gone wrong but turned out well. Next है. Describe a situation when you were surprised to meet a friend. Next है. Describe an activity you enjoy near water. Describe an event when you felt really happy. Talk about a time when you impressed by something. Next is describe a volunteering experience you have had. Next one is describe a large company that you are interested in. Describe a time you got lost in a place and you did not know about. Describe a time when you missed an appointment. Next one is describe your favorite clothes. Describe a place where you are able to relax. Describe a time when you were cheated or describe a time when someone lied to you. Next one is describe a dinner you really enjoyed. Describe a mistake you have made. Describe something that you learned from social media site. Describe a social networking platform that you use. Next is describe a time when a member of your family asked you for help. Describe a program or an app that you think is useful. Next one is describe a friend who is good leader. Describe an activity that you have been doing a lot recently. Next one is describe an old person you know and respect. Next is describe a place you visited that have been affected by pollution. Next one is describe a time when you did not tell the truth to someone. Next, describe a foreign country or culture you want to know more about. Talk about new public building or place which you would like to visit. What would you like to change at the place where you live? Describe a film you watched. Describe an unpleasant job you did. Next one is describe a long car journey you went on. Next is describe a recent goal you have set yourself. Describe why you are taking ALS. Next one is describe a city you have visited and want to go back to in the future. So thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.